Hi guys, in this course we will learn about Firebase implementation with MVVM architecture. It's a basic level course and we'll go with the project based approach so one can understand easily how the things are working with one another. I will cover following topics. On the left side I will cover the following topics. So the first one is Github Integration, Firebase implementation, then we will use Firestore as a database, MVVM implementation, then Jetpack Navigation Component to have a navigation between fragments, and Dagger Hilt, then resource class to manage UI states, then listing of nodes, create node, update node, delete node, then refactor and redesign the project to new design. Then we'll use Lambda function and other Kotlin related things as well. The extra section is currently in pending status, so I haven't started work on it. I will start working later on once I complete with the other topics as well. So let me show you how the old design look like. In the old design, simply we have a button to create. When user click on it, we have one field message. So user can type any type of message and he can simply just click on create button. Then a toast message will appear that the node has been created successfully. When go back, then in the recycle view a new node will appear. Then currently let me show you another node now in the listing screen how it's look like. Now user can view the node and also can edit and delete the node. Let me edit any of the node. Update. Now it's update. I will update the second node as well. We saw how listing, then we saw edit, now the delete functionality. So the node has been also deleted. So we perform the CRUD operation: create, read, update and delete. So the old design look like this. Let me switch to the new design. Like after refactoring and redesign the old code into the new design. So the new design look like this. We have a button in the bottom center. When a user click on it, it will redirect to another screen where a user can create a node. Let me play the video. While creating a node, the screen look like this. We have title section, then last modified, which shows the date and time, and also the tags. User can add tags as well, and also the description. While adding the tag, we have a small dialog to accept the text, and it will show the created node tag. Let me write some description to create the node. Now the node has been successfully created. So the list screen look like this. I have used a stager layout manager. Now I will create a second node. Now the second node has been also created. Now the two nodes look like this. Let me create a third one as well. Now user can view any of the node. So by default the UI will disable, like user can't interact with any of the edit text. So when user click on the edit or the pencil icon, then user can start interacting with the UI, like the title and description and the text. And also there on the top right a check button will also appear. So when user click on it, it will update the node. Is to delete the node. I will simply click on the delete icon and it will successfully deleted the node. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more latest videos. You can follow us on other social media platforms. I will try my best to upload more videos on time and share knowledge with the community. If you like and appreciate my efforts, please share them across platforms. Thanks for your support and time for watching my tutorial.